Hello, my name's Charlie. I'm the product manager for Distribution Engine, and I'm here today to walk you through the summer 2026 Rhino release of Distribution Engine. This release is all about reinforcing Distribution Engine's role as the routing layer for how modern revenue teams are structured, multi-role, real-time, and connected to where work gets done. The summer 2026 release adds three major capabilities to Distribution Engine. Slack notifications brings real-time assignment and SLA alerts straight into the tool that your reps have open all day. Role assignment moves Distribution Engine beyond single owner assignment, so it can place an entire team into their correct roles the moment a record comes in. And finally, we've got extended relationship depth, which gives you more flexibility in how deep you can filter into your data model, no matter how complex your Salesforce setup is. So first of all, and I'm genuinely excited to talk about this one, as that's a big change in how assignment notification is going to work, and that's our new Slack integration. We know that urgent work can't wait until a rep spots it in Salesforce, and that's why we've built a new Slack integration for Distribution Engine. This feature can notify your team about new assignments and SLA alerts directly in Slack in real time. Your admins can configure which distributors will trigger Slack alerts, so your hot leads, severity 1 cases, or time-sensitive reassignments get your team's attention instantly, and your less urgent work isn't creating distractions. Let's have a look at how this works in Distribution Engine. So we've set up Slack integration on this org, and we're currently looking at the distributor configuration. You can see here that we've got set up notifications for some of our distributors, but not all of them, so we're not overwhelming our team with notifications. We've got assignment notifications enabled for our EMEA accounts distributor, so let's see what happens when we get an assignment from this team. Okay, so we've turned on Distribution Engine here, and we'll receive a notification in a moment for the assignment of the account Acme Inc. Here we go. So we've got our notification in from the Distribution Engine app. So if we jump into Slack, we can see that the Slack message tells us we've got a new assignment, and it also shows us some key fields from the account, such as the phone number or the type of the account, as well as a button that links us directly into Salesforce, where we can start working on our new assignment. This feature supports all Salesforce object types, so no matter what you're routing, Slack notifications will cover it. The Slack notification is first going to be available as a closed beta, which means we're going to be letting a limited number of our customers trial the feature before we push it out to the general release to those of you on the advanced and unlimited tiers. If you're interested in joining the beta, please reach out to us at upgrade@ndc-squared.com. Summer 26 also brings our new role assignment capabilities to Distribution Engine. Salesforce records normally have a single owner, but in a lot of accounts, opportunities and cases, the work is done by multiple people, each with a distinct role to play. Normally a single owner will get assigned in Salesforce, and the rest of the team might be populated in custom fields either manually or through complex custom development. Role assignment changes that. Distribution Engine assigns a role to every member of the team that will work on the record. How does this work? Well, Distribution Engine leverages the Salesforce features account teams, opportunity teams, and case teams, which allows you to set up all of the roles available for your object. Distribution Engine can assign roles in one of two ways: default team assignment or role assignment. With default team assignment, for accounts and opportunities, when a user is assigned a record, their pre-configured team is assigned alongside them. Each member populates their role automatically without additional steps. With role assignment, on the other hand, each role is filled independently. Distribution Engine selects the best available person for every role using the same powerful features you'd already rely on, such as territories, availability, tags, and load balancing. This lets you build the ideal team to work on each record. With role assignment, you can make sure that Salesforce represents the true picture of the team doing the work. Finally, we have a small but important enhancement that has an impact across Distribution Engine. You are now able to make up to 5 jumps through related objects when configuring filters throughout the applications, such as team or distribution filters. This is an increase from the single jump that's available before the Summer 26 release. To walk through an example, let's say you're assigning opportunities. You can now reach to that opportunities account and then pass that to the fields on the account's parent account, pulling in data that's several steps removed from the record you're actually assigning. This matters because as your data model grows more complex, the field you need is often not right around the record that you're assigning, it might be several relationships away. Extended relational depth means you don't have to restructure your data or build workarounds just to assign in Distribution Engine. Well, that's all I've got to say to you today. I really appreciate you spending time with me for my overview of the Summer 2026 release. If you'd like any more detail on anything I've covered today, you can find out more by having a look at the release notes in the knowledge base or reach out to our friendly support team at support@ndc-squared.com. Thank you very much.